How to install BYDFI Edge.
This is a
On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Honor Gang. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful Friday. Caught the low pink box. Good to go. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're all having a wonderful morning. Thank you for being here, and thank you for tuning in to the best, the most awesome community in all of crypto. You guys. Happy Friday, everybody. Good to see you guys. Let's jump into the charts. Let's say good morning to everybody. How you doing? Bitcoin going to the moon. I feel like I got a little bit of shrinkage going on here. Maybe gotta be a grower here. Oh, grower and a shower. What's going on, everybody? Good to see you. Hopefully we're all... I got a new microphone boom arm, and like you can't like adjust this one on the fly. I don't like it. I'm going to get another one. This thing's crap. It's already bugging me. As soon as we start the stream, it starts pumping. I'm trying to say good morning. Trying to say good morning, everybody. How we all doing, man? Everybody's up. That's it, man. Grower and a shower. That's the one, bro. That's the one. I mean, my height had to go somewhere, Paul. What's going on, man? How you doing? Everybody here is subscribed to my man, HRJ, CVO. Paul, I think you get handsomer every single day, man. Have you done an open mouth thumbnail in a while? Paul's one of our teachers and our traders. No open mouth thumbnail. See, this is why I love you, bro. You're absolutely a top-notch gem. Oh, my God. Go subscribe to Paul. CVO. Kicking ass. Taking names. Dude, you got some good photos done, man. You look crisp. You look crisp, man. And that isn't great. That's just all the green profits. When you start making as much profits as Paul does here, you start to get this glow. You can see the glow on the side of the hair. That's not gray. That's just profits, guys. If you know, you know. Okay? If you know, you know. Respect the profits, okay? He makes profits. He's not a prophet, okay? Never open mouth. That's it, man. That's it, bro. See, my glow, mine is gray because I make profits, but I work way too much. Way too much. My wife's like, so you're going to slow down at all? I'm like, no. Nah, man. I got a community to take care of that I love. I do love my community. You guys are amazing. I will work my living butt off for you guys. Even if the last 3 days I have had to do customer service at 9 o'clock at night. You know how a carpenter feels about doing customer service 9 o'clock at night? I'll tell you. He doesn't like it. I'm going to start only answering tickets between 9 and 5. What's going on, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you guys for smacking up that like button, subscribing if you're new. You guys are all up. DJ Mac, Crypto Reaper, JR, Steve Hickey, what's going on, bro? Muckin, good morning, good to see you. Or afternoon, Muckin, sorry. Philly Skills, what's going on? Wagwan, Infinite Team TA, my man. How's it going, bro? Al Jr., were you a bit chilly over in Ontario? Yeah, it is here, too, in Alberta. Oh, man, quick smoker. Alexandra G., JC, good evening from Thailand. I mean, I've never been to Thailand, but I heard there's a lot of Thais in Thailand. Evade, Andrew Ingram, Melissa, good morning, good to see you. Paul Caruso, good morning, man. How you been? Jason, good morning, good to see you. Cocaine's in the chat. What's going on, man? Kokanee. I think it's Kokanee, but we're going to call you Cocaine, man. Who's going to call you Kokanee? That's another syllable, man. Cocaine. So much easier. Anyways, Diggers, what's going on, man? Good morning. Massey, JR, HRJ, another one of our traders. You guys are just coming through and watching me. Are you guys stealing my stuff and sharing it with the Discord? They already got the information, guys. They already got the long setup from the bottom. I mean, ask the gang if the long setup was here. Just ask them. I don't know. Yesterday, I think I gave. Can I get some spoons in the chat, please? People have started putting spoons on my TA because I think we prepared everybody for that 119.766 area yesterday. We were looking for an initial SFP, but if you're in the Discord, you would have had this. Looking for the initial SFP. It kept going, so there was no reason to long it. But, I mean, this SFP here was perfect. We were waiting for this all night long. All night. Whew. My God. I better see some spoons in the chat, man. Otherwise, I'm going to put my spoon away. I'm going to tell you to fork off. Dave Digital, man. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. I see you, 20. I see your 20, man. God bless you, man. JR, good to see you. Good morning, Melissa. Sean Mitzer, Sean Beringer. Ando Poncho, Synthetic. Good morning, Infinite Team. Ando, I mean, you guys are great. Thank you guys for being here. Dave Digital, always showing up. Let's see some double Ds. Come on, who doesn't like some double Ds in the morning? Chantel, good morning. Show, good morning. Good to see you. Saphir, Leo. Ace of Trades, Mark Gustafson. Lotus Style, Soli, K-Pack, Sniper Paul, what's going on? Jam, Acinda, Duality, Call Me Dave. Good morning, guys. Let's go, baby. I think Paul gave that level, too. Yeah, Paul definitely gave that level. I gave the level. Paul gave the level. Trade setup in advance. You did, too, didn't you, CVO? I believe CVO gave the level, too. Look, let's go in short-term TA. He took the trade, too. There you go. He gave you the level. There you go. 19.5, weekly pivot, 382. That's what we're looking at. My God, just double spoons. What's that Pokemon? Double spoons. Alakadabra? Alakadabra? Alakazam. That's the one. Bro, this guy's got 2 spoons. We were Alakazamming in the Discord, guys. You can't mess with this guy, man. Psychic Pokemon. This guy was you had to catch an Abra, and they teleport when you go to catch them, and then you gotta start your Pokemon battle with the Abra, then switch to your like Charmander, and then level up your Abra to get to this guy. What a pain in the ass! But then you get 2 spoons, man. And a psychic Pokemon. Anybody put a 1 in the chat if you hated leveling up an Abra? I did, man. Took time, guys. Took time. You got to switch between your Pokemon. Then your Pokemon gets attacked, and then you got to heal it. Not right. Andrew Cameron, what's going on? Ryan Smith, Joshua Reddy, Steve Hickey, good morning. Pat, Vegas Claw, Rob S., Dave Digital, my man. The most OP Pokemon. Use the stone. See, here we go. Here we go. You guys are coming out, man. Except when you went up against a ghost Pokemon, you got wrecked, man. Shadow Ball. Ooh, baby. Watch out for that Shadow Ball. Don't think I don't know my Pokemon, man. You fight that Gengar eventually. Whew. Dave Digital. Karen Lurker. Manny Lurker, Kevin H. Lurker, Manish Lurker, David Lurker, Saphir. Yes, Saphir's always here. Good morning, Saphir. Good morning, Master. I see you as well. Rianne Jordan Lurker, Big Boy Crypto. Are you like the next Ben? Lurker. Tauf. I think you've said good morning before, so I'm going to say good morning to you. Ataberk Lurker, Shep Lurker. Wanderer, good morning. Your bro, good morning. Good to see you. Part of the gang. Let's go. Aiden, Lurker. Sam Zerk, Lurker. It's even in his name, guys. SFP of the high here, rolling over. Guys, we are in the ultimate hot dog zone right now. No trade. Yono, FOMO Sapien, good morning. Good to see you. Fantastic. Good morning. Are we gonna squeeze some shorts here or what? Well, we got like 600. What is it? $600 million worth of liquidations in the last 24 hours. So I mean, the squeeze. I don't know if it's worth. I mean, we're long from down in here, but and we had this buy level last night for the gang. Order block continuation. Support resistance flip. So now we're putting in a lot of volume down here, which is a good sign, but could we? I would like to see 3 drives here. That would be sexy. Even if we break out of this thing here, whatever you want to call this, I wouldn't be surprised if we come and get this guy here. Very much in the middle. Very much in the middle. For me, the resistance is up in here. This is easier. Why not cause some more pain before next week? I think for now, I would be looking for a sweep of the lows in here and go. Or I'd be looking for this to flip and then come back down. So for me, I'm leaning more towards the downside initially. But that's just me. That's just me. Alakazam. I can't unhear it now, guys. Alakazam. 3 minute engulfing. Breaking down here. SFP of the high. Sweep of the high. Breakdown. You're looking to come to this guy here. No trade yet. Still waiting. Like very choppy. And this is like, what is it? 0.5% range right now? Not worth the squeeze. Solana. Yeah. When Solana does this is all liquidity, guys. So whenever you see this on Solana, it's all liquidity looking to be taken. Look at it here. All right. Same deal here. Right. What happens? It comes back for it. Right. So that's caution as well. This is what? 786 here. Yeah. Yeah. So Ethereum structure looks a little bit better here. Got inverse head and shoulders. Trying to push, holding on to this 4320 area that we had. Smacking that support. Ethereum has been the one that's gotten beaten up. Let's all agree on that. Like this dump has hurt Ethereum the most, right? So this would be one more wave if we're Elliott wave theorists, but we're not. So we're not gonna. But if we break out, retest, and go here, great. Getting up to this range would be ideal. Changing this structure. We have not taken this high yet. So I'd like to see structure change here as well. Yeah, Bitcoin lower. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smacking up the like buttons. Did you guys see this new stream settings? You can't read anything on here now. You got 64 likes. That's it right there. 64 likes. 270 people here. Come on, what the heck? You guys can't click a button? Some people say like, man, if you can't come in here and click a button, you can just leave. I'm not that guy. You can lurk in the background. I just think you're a weirdo. That's all. What's going on, Ace? Saphir? After all these months, I finally got gifted. Let's go. Gang, gang, gang. Saphir, now you can show gang in the chat, man. Vegas Claw. Vegas Claw, never put pictures of those big, huge, fat ladies in the Discord again. I woke up this morning, Vegas Claw. I opened up Discord to say good morning to the whole family, and you got like, it honestly looks like, I don't even know. That was not the way I wanted to wake up this morning, to opening up you had some gif on there of some like fat chicks, and like nothing wrong with fat chicks, okay? Everybody needs love. It's just early in the morning and you got like three 3 big ladies in my face. I'm like, man, I just want to say good morning. Save that for like the afternoon kind of deal. My God. Good morning, Cockatoo. Good to see you as well. How does one get access to the Discord? You go over, you join the Discord. We have the sale on. This is the final countdown sale. The price will never go under $75 after this, and it's going up to $88. You go over to the Discord, you click the Become a Member, and you click to become a member, you pay, and then it gives you the role. Spoons are good with cereal. Yes. Yes. Melissa, good morning. Vegas Claw, good morning. Good to see you. Andrew Ingram, Paul Caruso. Mr. Singh, good night. Jeez, you guys are throwing away memberships like it's your job, man. Jay Violet, good morning. Good to see you. Mass Rider, Wally, good morning. I think Wally's trying to sign up too. You have a ticket open, Wally. Send me that email. I think I won't show them our conversation, but I'd like to help you out too. Crypto Degenerate, good morning. Trace, good morning. Crypto Cockatoo, good morning. Louis Lurker, Massey, good morning. David Lurker, Mehmet Lurker, Vonza Lurker. Michael Cummings, Lurker. We are slaves. Okay, that's an interesting name. Good morning. Lurker, 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 Lurker. Great name, but you're still Lurker, Alex. Ricardo Perez. What's going on, Lurker? Crypto Backer, good morning. Grass Pata, Sathak, Percy, Lurker, Lurker, Lurker. What's going on, Dindier? Good morning, Chris. Good morning. Good to see you, man. I'm back. Let's go. Good to see you, Chris. How you been, man? Sent a moment ago. I'll look. Let's get it sorted after the stream, okay, Wally? Dream Chaser, Ace Crypto, Crypto CD, Thanasi, Ace Crypto, Average Joe Crypto. What's going on? Good to see you. Lewis. Nonstop, good morning. Good to see you, man. Wave Safer, good morning, bro. Great call on that short. Wave Safer, did you get that pink box long? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Great job last night. Wave Safer, kicking ass, taking names. All right, consolidation here. So what are we looking for, everybody? Like very, very simply. So let's break it down now, okay? So what do we have here? Okay? We have I love it, man. I love that, like 5% pullback, 20% up and 5% down. People lose their minds. We have a beautiful range here. We're outside of the range. What we do not want to see is price come back into the range, okay? So you can see the value area high. It's holding here. What are we doing? We're creating another shelf of volume, okay? So we'd like to see it hold here. Look at that beautiful volume shelf, okay? So trying to hold here. What does that mean? That means, in general, that we were looking here and we got the bounce. So if we are looking for the bounce, where is the bounce going to come in? We can look at the point of control, the value area high, right? Those are a couple levels, right? We can go swing low to swing high, and we can see that we have a 382 here, which we hit yesterday as well. Okay. And we went over this with you guys yesterday, but I do like repeating myself just to, keep the calm, right? We see we're in this simple downwards channel. Don't got to complicate it, right? So what could we have here, right? What are our options? Well, we could pump and we could dump, right? Or we could go sideways, right? Very simple. We're coming into the weekend, so it's Friday. What I would like to see is us get into the middle of this range going into the weekend. That's what I would like to see. Check mark. What we could do is we could grind down, which is not ideal. I really, really, really would be concerned if we start closing daily candles below 118. Very simple. Okay, if we're going to close, we don't want to see it below 118 because then that's acceptance into the range, and this is like Stickyville. This is like all you guys on your wanking chariot. We do not want to be in Stickyville here because we can chop here for quite a long time, and that would mean a long delay in our October and up November and pump season. Okay, so we want to stay away from the wanking chariot zone, which is 118,000. We want to close above there. Okay, now we have two drives, no bullish divergence. We have consolidation, and we are in a short-term downtrend. We have not flipped bullishly on, let's say, a 4-hour. Okay, so for me, it's about structure now. Are we going to put in a higher high and a higher low? That would be bullish. Are we ABC 1, 2, 3 here? Yes. Can we come lower? Yes. Are we looking lower? Of course. Like 3 drives here, bullish divergence. Okay. If we look at our oscillator here, if we get another lovely lady lump in here like this, and we get bullish divergence, happy days. Valhalla. Okay. They liquidated 600 million longs yesterday. Is there more? Of course there's more. These guys who are holding their trades down here are puckering right now, okay? Because there's liquidity down there. So if this, then that. So how do we trade it? Well, we traded under the assumption that we are going up. Why? Because our daily is up. Because our weekly is up, okay? 4-hour corrective, right? So if our daily and our weekly are up, pullbacks are for buying, right? We talked about this in our last thing here. If we're going just off seasonality, okay, because this is September last year, okay, what happens is we break the high on the daily, okay, then pullbacks are for buying, okay, in assumption that we are going up here. Pullbacks are for buying. The weekly uptrend is still intact. Pullbacks are for buying. So in my opinion, we are in this crap right here. Okay? And this can happen however it wants to happen, right? We can take our fractal pattern and give you guys the fractal and make you guys, oh my God, that makes complete sense. Fractals are good for visualizing. Okay? We could be right here. Not for me to decide. Okay? Timing-wise, we better be like right here. That would be cool, wouldn't it? Look at that. Works out end of November. Happy days. Bitcoin tops out. Altcoin season. Sell our bags. Go home. Celebrate Christmas, right? You think it's going to be that easy? You guys are out to lunch, man. You guys are out to lunch. Oh, man. I hate this boom arm, man. I got a new boom arm. I can't adjust it on the fly, so I can't adjust where I'm sitting. I got to be like, hey, guys. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I thought it'd be cool because it hides the cable and it was cheap. I shouldn't have been cheap. I should have just bought a nice one. I think I'm going to buy a nice one. It's time. It's time. All right. So we have a plan. What's the plan? If this, then that, right? We have key levels. We know where we're looking for bounces, and we know how to take the trades, right? So we had the trade set up yesterday in the Discord at the very low here. Whew, 700. Oh, man, we missed it by... Sorry, guys. We're off by a couple hundo. But we're prepared. We know where we're looking. We know what we're looking for, right? So now what are we looking for? Well, Bitcoin's chopping sideways. It has SFP'd and it has grabbed some liquidity. Is this sufficient? Well, we said we could have another SFP 3 drives bullish divergence. We don't have bullish divergence here yet. Okay. We have a flag. Do we like flags? Not really. Not really, because they tend to fake you out. Okay. Our big tell, and I was going over this yesterday with everybody. Our big tell was very simple. What was our big tell yesterday, guys? Don't be fooled thrice, right? Don't be fooled thrice. Gap, fill. Gap, fill, gap. Guess what? Phil Collins, baby. In the air tonight. So I prepared you for that, right? That's what I can do, is prepare you. having an idea is great. It's the execution of the idea is where you make the money. I don't want to teach you guys how to just look at the chart. I want you guys to be able to forecast, and with that forecast, in the live sessions that you are trading, to make good decisions based on probabilities, R multiple, and risk management to make money, right? Not easy. It's not easy, guys. It's not. Do what 90% of everybody else does. Manage your risk. Wait for your setup. Take your setup over and over again. And do it over and over again with high probabilities. That's been back tested. Nobody else does that. I tell you, you know why I know that? Because 90% of the people fail. And like, we love spoon feeding in our Discord, and it's a good time, but if you're not prepared, like, who's taking trades in here? Like, you look how sporadic these moves are. You got long here. Even if you caught the bottom, they got you. You know, you get long here. This was 4 a.m. 4 a.m. trading has been good. 3 a.m., 4 a.m. trading is the move, right? You can draw your little wedgie here. Oh, my God, we're going to go to the moon, breakout. You're literally in the wiener zone, man. You're right here. You got the ketchup in your mustache, okay? Be safe, please. So when we look at Market Cipher, what we can see, Market Cipher had some very bullish things. If you're in the Discord, you would have known that we've been forecasting with Market Cipher that we would have a little bit of correction here, okay? If you don't know, we can tell them now, guys, but if you don't know, the stochastics on Market Cipher is a good tell to anticipate a move. So we flipped red here. Okay, we flipped green here. I shouldn't give away all the sauce, guys, but I'm going to, because it's Friday and I feel unkind, right? So it tells me that there's a potential for this thing to reverse before it reverses. You see how much time I have to think? You see how I have time to think before it reverses? Okay, and look at that. It leads to the move, right? It turns green, it leads to the move. It turns red, it leads to the move. You can do this on the 12-hour. It works very good as well. Okay, so stochastics. Not everybody uses stochastics the same way I do, but it leads to the move. Okay, very useful if you know how to interpret it. Okay, so we were prepared for this kind of deal. We were prepared for this as well. However, the daily has flipped bearish on the money flow. So this is a concern here. So what you count on when you have a bearish flip in money is you count on chain and ball. Okay, so I want you to think about the VWAP being a chain. Okay, you got your chain in here, you got your links in here, and you got this thing, and it's going to pull price action, right? It's going to pull momentum. So we want it to pull this guy up, which would lead to money flow holding, okay? And which would lead to maybe a higher high here. That would be beautiful. Okay, so that's what we want to see. Does that mean it's what we're going to get? No. Money has been actually very choppy in this area, so be prepared for that. The 12-hour here is posturing to the upside. We had a doji candle yesterday. Okay, a nice SFP in here. But we do have positive posturing to the upside, suggesting we could continue. Still 12 hours left on this candle, okay, for the next candle. But this suggests now that we can come back in here. And whenever you get positive posturing, you can back test it. You can back test it. You can back test it, you can back test it, you can back test it. You can see that you typically get a nice move up, 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 a little up, and up, okay? So there is some hopium in the air. for today, because I know you guys only care about today. You don't really give two rats. For today, for me, I want to see us get to the middle of the range, 122, 123. Beautiful. Chop sideways, maybe Sunday pump or dump. Who cares at that point? Maybe they do we get up here today, and then Sunday, boop, and then we go. Who cares? We'll be prepared anyways. But the 4 hour suggests that we can continue upwards. The 3 hour does as well. The 1 hour is choppy as ever. Very choppy. Consolidating. Trying to break out and get up. The imbalance in price actions right here and right here. Okay. Those are our targets. Now, depending on the way price action behaves, that's how we'll take advantage of that. A sweep into here, maybe golden pocket. Whew. And bounce? Great. Sign me up. A push up here is kind of, that to me, if we push up here, that to me is sketchy. And that tells me that we're probably coming back for the low. Because it's just leaving too much liquidity behind. Okay. Chop in the middle. I figure I've been talking too much trash lately and not doing enough TA. I mean, I do all the TA for the Discord. That's kind of how I roll anyways. So I hate this boom arm, by the way. But I'm very grateful for you guys being here and hanging out. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. It's Friday, baby. Let's go. Let's go. It's Friday, man. Like, we're here taking trades, kicking ass, taking names, all that fun stuff. Had a good day yesterday, kicking ass on Solana. Whew. I closed my Solana long too early. See, I had Solana down here as well with the gang. And I took it up to here. But I got long here, 218. 218, got long here, took this up. I mean, it was getting late, guys. Dinner time. You don't want to be holding trades. Climbing the wall of worry. Solana looking good. How's the volume today? Is the volume better? Let me know in the chat. What's going on, Randy? Good to see you as well. 835. Chris Ford Ranger. Average Crypto Joe. Good morning, Wave Cypher. 336 people in here. Jonathan, Bram. Good morning. Good morning. Farhad, good morning. Good to see you. Alexander G. Yeah, we got that sale on the Discord. I mean, today I'm off and watching. Thank you for being here, man. Army Piper, my brother. What's going on, man? Randy Hipper. We're going to send the stream over to Randy Hipper. God bless the Otter Gang, including the lurkers. Billy's extra spiritual today, guys. Steve Hickey, good morning. Jay Violet, Andrew Saphiris, Wix, Wife Fine 89. Let's go, baby. Gene Bean, what a name, man. Dusty, good to see you. Billy Baines, Guten Morgen, Krakenwagen. What's going on, man? Infinite Team, Race with Bob. Good morning, bruv. Good to see you. I know you're from the UK, Bob. Tauf, good morning, man. Take the effing trade. Yeah, that's the one, right? Don't touch the wiener. Paper planes, my man. You guys are bad, man. Thank you for joining Average Crypto Joe. Go subscribe to Average Crypto Joe as well. Paper planes. Tilapia. That's a good fish, bro. Billy, Race with Bob. Good morning, everybody. Did you hit the... I actually did hit the Charlie Brown tree, bro. I went right through it, Dusty. That Charlie Brown tree is like 240. So I hit like a Stinger 3-wood at it, and I actually kept trying to hit it, bro. On the driving range, there's like this one Charlie Brown tree and like 3 branches. Pretty big, and then it has like some nice bushy trees beside it. I'd hit like these low rising stingers at it. Zing, zing, but it was like 250, 230 yards away. So I was trying to hit like a 4-iron at it. And I just was hitting the bottom of it. So I took a 3-wood and put it right through. I didn't knock off a branch, so I should have tried. But I'm not a tree killer. I'm a tree hugger, bro. I'm a tree hugger. Looking further, Jonathan. Do you think Sol will hit all-time high after ETF news? So what happened last time with the Sol ETF, Jonathan? With the ETH ETF? Okay, let's go and talk to Grandma. Grandma will tell you exactly what happened. Back in my day. Have I moved it? No, I haven't. Back in my day, Sonny, we were sitting around. I called Larry Fink. Larry, you told me to buy this Ethereum, and all of a sudden it's just dropping. Larry, you rugged me. I haven't done the grandma in a while, man. Larry, what's going on with Ethereum? Welcome to Ethereum, Grandma. So what happened to Grandma? Grandma got rugged, is what happened. And since then, Ethereum's done okay. So initially, Grandma bought the top, okay? He's like, I got the greatest deal for you there, Grandma. And don't worry, it'll go up 5 years later. Anyways. So initially it's a buy the rumor, sell the news, and it hasn't been buying the rumor, so I guess it's just sell the news. Grandma was not too happy, okay? So I would prepare for a little bit of a pullback if that was me. But that's just history. Who knows? Who knows, man? All right. I don't think you can be a tree hugger as a carpenter. Dude, have you ever spent a day cutting cedar boards? There's nothing better, man. It's just the smell, the aroma. You love trees, man. As a carpenter, if you don't love trees as a carpenter, like you're an idiot, because they keep you employed, right? You got to be a tree hugger as a carpenter, otherwise you're just you're a schmuck. Discord is monthly subscription. It is a pretty fair way, yeah. Yeah, so I'd be patient on that ETF news there. I'd be patient on that. Holding the WAP, chopping the WAP, man. It's chopping the WAP, no trade here. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Happy Friday, everybody. Hopefully you've had a wonderful trading week. If you haven't, stay close, listen, pay attention, join the Discord, whatever you want to do. This is never financial advice. I'm just a hobbit clicking buttons. I'm up like $7,900 this week. It's been good. It's been good. Another good week. I'm still waiting for it to fall apart, but I manage risk. I take high probability trades, and when I've made my money for the day, I cut it. I had a $4,000 Monday. Like I've been steady since Monday. Yesterday was I think $1,200 day yesterday. $300 day on Wednesday. Yeah, something like that. So I crushed it on Monday. I managed to not give it back throughout the rest of the week. Happy days, man. Happy days. That's it. The hardest part in trading is keeping your money. Okay, you get a little bit too high up. You start putting on too much leverage, too much position size. You think you're a king, and you get the hot serving of humble pie, fresh at your door from your neighbor, welcoming you to the neighborhood, saying, "Hey, welcome to crypto, baby." So if you're making money, keep your money. That's the harder part. That is always the harder part. Skis right now, Jezza. That's the one, man. We skiing right now. No trades right now. We are in a swing long on a different exchange, on our BloFin exchange. I do swing trades on BloFin. Just because it's like I don't look at it. I like to keep my swing trades away from my visual. As a scalper, I just want to take the money. But there's a plan, right? So I'll take a swing trade on BloFin, or sometimes I'll take a swing trade on BYDFI. Same thing though. It's the same setup. It's just a little bit longer, right? That's it. For me, I know myself. I cannot swing trade on my scalping account because I'll just close it. I'll just take the money. Bro, that's a good week. Yeah, I mean, we did 10, 10, 9. Now we're at 7 for the last month of trading. So, been on fire, man. It's been really good. Been on fire. I'd love a 4K week. Yeah, you'll get there, Ryan. We know you'll get there. You'll get there, man. Just patience, persistence, work ethic. I think it's... Do I trust MexC now? I trust MexC as far as I can throw them. So I understand the platform is... For me, I understand. I have a rep. I had an issue with them in the past where I got stopped out. The exchange went down. I got stopped out for $5,000. They reimbursed me $1,100. I was pissed off. But I understand as a new trader, you do not have cheap fees. I understand you don't have cheap fees. Out of all the exchanges with cheap fees, MexC is the best. So what do I suggest? I suggest that as soon as if you're using MexC, you're like immediate stop losses on the screen right away. The way I got screwed is that I didn't put a stop loss on. I entered a trade. The exchange went down. I didn't have a stop loss on. It came back and it's liquidated. Thank God I only keep 10K on my trading account, so I didn't get in too much trouble. It would have been a lot worse. Okay, if I kept like my account on it. So, but I understand that traders don't want to pay. If you're scalping like I am and you're getting eaten up by fees, it's a pain in the ass. So it's an option. I have reps on Bitunix. I have reps on BYDFI. I've checked the reserves on all the exchanges. They're good. MexC is obviously a little bit more sketchier, but I started trading on FTX. So for me, my job is to protect the new trader, but it's also to provide them with something that they have the potential of making more money on. So I highly suggest you don't keep a lot of money on that exchange, right? You keep it separate from your spot. Keep your spot, then have whatever, $1,000 on your trading or $15,000 or whatever it is, right? Keep that on your futures. Don't change it. So that it's not okay if you lose it, but it's okay that you don't lose your whole account. And people were asking me, they're like, do you have a MexC link? Do you have a MexC rep? So I got in touch with my MexC rep again. I got the link. I got the deposit bonus and all that stuff for everybody. I think here it is. 30 USDT new sponsor link. I'm not here for your fees, guys. I'm the last one to show that stuff. I just try to provide it for the community. As you guys know, I trade on Bitunix right now. I have a deal on there, whatever. I'm not like Altcoin Daily or Lark Davis, and I need you to subscribe so I can get your trading fees, guys. It's the best deal in all of crypto. I mean, go and support a little guy. That's what I always say. Go and support a little guy. Get their affiliate link. You're going to pay it anyways. Near is ripping. We've been calling AI for a rip for a long time. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. We didn't even come down here. Look at that. How's render and BitTensor? Render. Oh, damn. I bought some render here at 335 yesterday. Okay. SFP of the low? Or okay, that's fine. This is still good. Render's overdue. Look at Tau, guys. Woo-wee. Tau making a new high. That's very bullish, guys. AI, here we go, baby. Not financial advice, but we've been watching it. Let's go, BitTensor. Beautiful pump. Cool, man. I like that. We still got dominance rising, though, guys. So for me, we still got dominance trying to get up to the 60 to 61%. Altcoin season. That's what we want. Bitcoin's got to lead. We're still waiting for Bitcoin to lead. Stuck in the middle. This is coming here. If I was a betting man, this is coming here. At least. At least that. No trades, still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smacking up that like button. We got a whole plethora of people in here. You guys are cool, man. 350 people here. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button, subscribing if you're new, I'd appreciate it. We're here live trading, talking smack every morning, hanging out with you guys. Can you show woo? Rick, is that a Ric Flair coin? Make sure you guys are saying good morning. That's all I ask, really. What's the difference between the family premium and the standard one? Like the free Discord versus the premium Discord? I mean, you get premium Discord, you got 7 traders spoon feeding. So we have a regular, you can come and chill and talk and shoot the stuff, right? Do a break dance, whatever you're into, man. In our regular chat, you just come and hang out with the gang. We're in the regular chat too because we started free. And you get the family chat where you guys are all crazy. You get all of our lessons. 150 videos, lessons on everything. You get 7 traders, signals, setups. Oof, look at Kyle's short. That was a great short. Wave Cipher short. My long yesterday. CVO's long yesterday. You know? HRJ shorting Bitcoin at the top. Oof, don't give them all the signals. Oof. Okay. TradeFly. Liquidity. Wave Cipher. Short from the top. Look at that beautiful short. Oof. You got 7 traders. You get a live stream every day. Brewberry, Kyle, myself, CVO does Discord live streams. Our man Wave Cipher's been doing the evening live streams. It's great, man. I can't believe how big it is, man. I can't believe how big the Discord's getting. It's stupid. That's why we increase the prices. I don't need you to join, please. Please stay away. Too many questions. There's too much customer service, man. Bitcoin trying to push here. Holding the VWAP, looking for a higher high here. Yeah, still don't like it, guys. I smell fake out. Still don't like it. Still waiting here. Almost 9 o'clock, everybody. Thank you for being here, smacking up like buttons. Solana, high or low? What did you want me to look at? Woo? What is woo, man? You're looking at 6.7 cents for support. That's what you're looking at. Breakout retest, 6.7 cents. Don't touch this. There's your woo TA. Woohoo. Ric Flair, baby. Someone said ADA. A lot of levels getting hit on ADA for me. We had our buy level down in here. Breakdown. Retested the lows. Order block. No liquidity swept. Downtrend. No structure change here, so you're looking for a continuation up here on ADA. You got bull div probably here. Structure change here. Looking for a continuation here. Be aware you could come back into here. Your buy level is 80 cents. If you start to switch market structure on a higher term time frame, getting like above this 4 hour here, then you're in a different game. Then you're looking for a higher low. Not until you take this high though. You're still looking for that. Okay. I can't believe I'm doing altcoin TA, guys. It's for the Discord. I did enough of that altcoin TA drawing lines stuff, man. I'm here to take trades. If Bitcoin would do something, anybody got a stick? Average Joe Crypto. This guy's name, oh my God, no wonder you don't chat. Wouldn't be able to get, good morning, Victor Manuel Martinez Jimenez. Lurker. Good morning, Mala. Yawari, Lurker. The basic crypto chick. Good morning, good to see you. How you doing? Bitcoinable. Good morning, good to see you. You actually hit a whole bunch of non-lurkers. There was like 2 lurkers there, but not a lot. That's a good ratio. Copy and paste, Gigi. I don't know if I want you in the premium Discord. If you're gonna spam me, I really don't know, man. I don't know where it is. I have $70. Any altcoin now? What about Doge? Doge is hella bullish. I had a Doge long set up for the Discord. I can't keep showing them the Discord longs, but I'll show you this one too. Let's see if it worked. I don't know if it worked. Let me see. Yeah, it worked. This was back here. This was way back. This was for this level actually, and it came back and it's popped again. So we've been looking for a long here. Good morning, wife. What do you need? Oh, your glasses? It's my wife. My wife came for her glasses. She blind. Yeah, I mean this Doge level has been in our Discord for a while, so I think Doge will do well. I mean, we got Elon behind that. Inverse head and shoulders, breakout, retest, continuation trade here. Good support at 24 cents. I can't keep giving these away, guys. You guys, how do you guys know what I'm looking at? I've been trading mostly Dogecoin. Are you profitable? I was wondering why you're looking at an alt when you specifically said last time I asked about alts and that you don't do that anymore and it's lame. Good old times. Yeah, man. How's your kitty cat, Floki? I think it's Floki, bro. Where do you get premium Discord? In the premium membership. There's a big section called membership in the Discord. It says Otter Family membership, testimonials. Look, everybody here loves this place. I'm surprised there's not more, but I don't ask them to do testimonials. That's the best part. And you get your alerts from every trader. Membership. Watch the video. Click the button right here. Become a member. Here's your schedule with your lives, everything, all the good stuff. Okay? Magic. My wife prefers you to pay $88 if you're wondering if there's a difference between the two. One of them's cheaper than the other. They provide the exact same service. My wife prefers you to pay $88 rather than $65. That's the difference. I'm a Discord newbie. How to tell which AlexOCrypto is the real one? They're all fake. They're all fake. Open a ticket if you want to talk. Or message me in the Discord. I will not private message you. I will not saving Ryan's privates you, man. Like, these guys are all scammers. We even had didn't someone say chat with Alex? I think. Yeah. We look, see, so this guy got a whole bunch of scammers. Look, there's a SEAL gang, guys. SEAL gang. Look at the SEAL down here. SEAL gang. That's the wish.com AlexOCrypto right there. And you got Otter, and you got a SEAL, guys. Fucking SEAL. A SEAL. You know you've made it when they're using SEALs. They're using a SEAL. They're all scammers, man. I will never message you. Come over, open up a ticket up top, and we can chat. SEAL gang. Let's get some SEALs in the chat, everybody. Can we get some SEALs in the chat? SEAL. You guys can copy mine. Fucking SEALs. 9 o'clock. A little bit of volatility coming in. SEAL gang, baby. What am I supposed to say? Let's go. Oh, man. Fucking hell. SEAL gang. I love how organized you have everything. I have to, bro. I'm not organized, so I have to make sure things are organized. Otherwise, I'm scatterbrained. How's the son doing? Still so cool? Yeah, man. Everybody's great here, man. Family's blessed. Thanks for asking. Glad your kitten's doing well. Probably a tiger now. SEAL. Look at all the SEALs in the chat. Wild bro used to SEAL. It's so good, man. You know you've made it. The SEAL gang, man. Seal the deal, yeah. There's a lot of play on words we could use with the SEAL. Signed, sealed, delivered. The new merch. Do you have weekly TA for BTC? Always, man. We've done top-down analysis. We did it in the beginning of the stream. If you want to rewind, you can watch it there. Or you guys can go and subscribe to the Seal Gang. I highly suggest you go and watch the Seal Gang. All right. Bitcoin pushing here. Nice push here for Biddy. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. We just got our hourly candle. Hourly is ramping up, looks strong. VWAP's overextended to the upside. Money flow's crossing over. Not bad. Anchor trigger wave here, so basic market cipher strategy here. Hourly looks good. It's got room. 3 white soldiers continuation trade. Coming for the high. Probably grab liquidity and head down. We'll see. Doji engulfing on 24. Looking strong. Continuing to push here. Coming up for that liquidity. Taking both of these highs now. Nice move. Good follow through here. I mean, I'm indifferent because I'm in a long from the low. Here's a sweep. No trade yet, still waiting. So it's SFP of the range, but there's nothing really local here to short into and reclaim, right? Like if we're looking for an SFP, we would like it here and then reclaim back into the range and then short it down. We're coming into this guy here, so there's not really a range to reclaim. I don't know if this is breakout, retest, continuation trade. We'll have to see. Anybody in the long, put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live stream. Smacking up like buttons, subscribing if you're new. Welcome. Thank you. Got 360 people in here. I guess I got to spin. I'm not going to do a 360, guys. 169 likes. If we could get that up to 200, that'd be cool, guys. I'd appreciate it. Big SFP here. There it is. Continuation trade, retest to previous highs, considering a long. No trade yet, still waiting. Target for today would be, yeah, up to our previous pivots there, 123, 200. That would be great. Like I said, we want to see it come back into the middle of the range. Retesting this high here. I'd like to see lower. No trade here. Still waiting. Good strength on the move. Big sweep of the high. Overextended on the 3-minute here. 12-minute. What's the hourly look like now? A bear div in here. No. 45. No. Follow through. Long's printing. Discord got long from the pink box yesterday. I gave you guys the pink box on the live stream yesterday, so. Damn that pink box, man. Damn that pink box good. Everybody loves that AlexOCrypto pink box. I don't have a pink box, but I draw them. Skiing in the chat. We're sitting on hands right now. Longs. Okay. Longs. Long scalp, take profit. Depending on where you entered, possibly. Signed, sealed, delivered. Bitcoin Dreamer, I didn't say good morning to you. Sorry, bro. Good afternoon. Good morning, bro. How you doing? Vegas Claw, good morning. Synthetic, good morning. Sniper. What's going on, Sniper? Let's see some snipers in the chat. You got to be gifted a membership or you got to get a membership. They're the cheapest I could make them possibly. I just want everybody to have emojis. What's going on, Johnson? Good to see you, bro. Mass Rider. Jessica, good morning. I'm on hands right now. No trade. Thank you, Average Joe. Hopefully you're doing well. No changes to VWAP. VWAP remains the same. The most important thing that you have to do with your VWAP is to make sure that you're on the Bybit exchange. Your VWAP will be different than mine if you're on a different exchange. The volume on other exchanges, in my opinion, is not as good as Bybit from my back testing. So make sure you're using Bybit chart for your VWAP. Coming back for that retest of the highs here. Nobody bought the top there, right? We're all good? Considering a long here. Possible continuation trade. Retest to previous highs. Off we go. Still waiting here. NASDAQ pushing. We still got 20 minutes till market opens, everybody. This could be a sweep into market open, then a big old dump or rally. I'll see how this candle closes. That's a good SFP fake out. Still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, subscribing, and hanging out. If we can close above the support line, I consider getting long. Nothing yet. Still waiting. $20 seconds. This would be a really cheap scalp like that. Take a stab here. See if we can continue. Quick scalp up to the high. Follow through. See if we get follow through here. Push Bitcoin. Namby pamby. Poor follow through. Volume just died there, eh? Gotta go, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. No, sorry, Bob. Doesn't want to go. No follow through. Red dot printing. Volume just fell off a cliff there, didn't it? That's what happens before market open. Push Bitcoin. I like the candle close above my support line. I like the wick down, retapping the high here. I don't like market cipher here, but that's irrelevant compared to price action right now. I'm going to take most of that off if we get up here. Break even trade. Stop loss to entry. Break even trade now. See if we can follow through. Just a quickie in the morning, guys. You know, no kissing, you know, bad breath in the it's just a quickie in the morning, bad breath, no kissing. No kissing. Start the day off right. It's one of those. No kissing though, man. That's definite no. You know, no kissing, man. This is kiss and tell. This is too much chop at the top. I'm not liking this. I'm going to trail hard here. Trail hard. You don't mind kissing in the morning? Quickie in the morning, you don't mind the kissing? Paper planes? Yeah, stopped out. Next trade, break even. Good close. Good close. No follow through. See? No follow through. You got to manage your risk. If you're scalping something like that, you got to be pretty aggressive. $8, guys. We're killing it. Woo! Let's go, baby. Great close. Great close. $8, man. We're going to McDonald's, baby. 415 people in here. God bless you guys. Can we get a GG and 10 more likes, please? I mean, I like demonstrating how I manage the risk so that you guys can see how I'm trading too. Right? And what I want price to do as well, right? Because like if you're not, this is trading, man. Like if you're not managing your risk and you're not taking little bases, look at it go now, right? That's the difference between, in my opinion, that could be the difference between a positive and a negative day, right? I take a zero loss. I don't take a $300 hit down here, right? $8 here, and then I make a $300 win, $900 win. It's $900. It's not 600. It's not zero. It's not break even, right? It's also getting a rep in and being confident too. I'm very big on getting reps in, right? Like making sure that you're taking the trade, managing the risk, taking what you're looking for, but also, being prepared. The volume just didn't continue, right? Like for me to see the volume continue, like we SFP'd, warning sign. We retested the high, continuation trade. We took profits really early. We didn't see follow through on that candle. Okay, this candle pushed up, no follow through. If we followed through here, it would have looked like this, right? So we bought this candle here because it closed above the support line. The next candle pushed up. We took profit aggressively, put stop loss to entry. If this opened aggressively, we would have been paid. It did not. Volume died off. Okay? Volume came back in and stopped us out. So there's no need to be in that trade anymore. The idea was the continuation of this move. Now we could get it here, right? Maybe I'm early to the party. You know, when you're standing around and you got a full case of beer and you're the only one with beer in the fridge and you're like, what the hell am I doing here? It's only 9 o'clock, guys. That's kind of what we did just there. But at the end of the day, we took the rep. We managed risk. We got out safely. We gave ourselves a shot. Happy days. Now it's probably going to go to the moon, which is fine. Got 10 minutes till market opens. Good to see everybody in here. Thank you for supporting the channel. Sol ETF today. We'll see. Follow through. Push Bitcoin. Don't be a nambe pambe. Retest to highs, continuation, doji engulfing. ETH is pushing here. ETH looks strong. SFP again. Double top, rejection. Let's see if it follows through or if it gets rejected. You don't want to see it close below that blue line. I got my new computer yesterday, guys. I'm really excited. I didn't set it up because it would have taken too long. It's staring at me, though, right now. It's saying, come on, buddy. Fire me up. Let's go. She's pretty. Man, she's pretty. Show it? You want to see it? You want to see what computer? I got a 5080 graphics card. It's a Japanesey. No, I don't know what it is, man. It's a pre-build. Like I'm not like guys, I'm not here building, Everybody's like, "Oh, build it." I'm like, "Guys, I can build a house. I ain't here to build computers. I'm not here to build computers." I could probably mine with it though. It's pretty deezed. Welcome, Vintage Virtue. Thank you for being here, bro. show the specs. Here you go. Here's the specs, man. Copy and paste, baby. Why does the market tend to dump on opening? FOMO longs. Asia's been long, right? Asia's been long. Guys, I'm not trying to hack Google, okay? Me and Google are friends now. They remonetized me. All right. Let's rip some CSGO anytime, bro. Anytime. Go play some Dust or something, bro. Copy and paste is my middle name. Alexandra G in the chat. Battlefield 6 is out today? Okay, I won't see you guys for a while then, all you nerds. I can't. I got a wife and kids, man. I don't got time for that. It's too much of an investment. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Baby G, what's going on? Good to see you. Chopping at the top here, guys. This tells me down. No trade here. I mean, we got long here. Could have held it. Wasn't for me, really. I'm not much of a buy the top kind of person. Especially when we got sell wall right in front of us. Overextended VWAP, right? So we're in our standard deviations 2.5. Caution. Lots of liquidity on Solana to take. Lots of liquidity on ETH to take. SPY. What is this story? 3 days in a row, right? We said to you guys yesterday, 3 days in a row. So, do we gap up again? And then come back down? We'll see. We'll see. I'd like a gap down, guys. Gap down, close up. Come on, baby. Bitcoin trying to push here. 5 minutes to market opens. Thank you, everybody, for being here. If you are new here, welcome. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Trading live, showing you guys the trades every morning. Hanging out, kicking ass, taking names, all that fun stuff. Showing you guys everything. Showing you the account, trading the account, showing you the P&L. All that fun stuff, hanging out every single day. Best Discord in all of crypto. 7 traders helping you guys navigate the charts. Constant live streams. You don't even have to go on YouTube. You just stay in the Discord. It's constant. From people who actually trade the market. That's the thing. It's traders helping traders. That's our motto here. Traders helping traders. People who can pay their bills with trading. Who else would you want to learn from? People who draw lines on charts or people who can actually execute trades? That's my motto too. Making crypto honest again. That is the goal here, guys. Finding purpose and freedom through trading crypto. Making crypto honest again. MCHA. I'm going to get some hats made up, I think. Let's go, baby. What's going on, T.I.? Good to see you, man. Climbing up here into market open. Enticing buyers. This is the same morning we've had all week, guys. Enticing buyers. Buyers, buyers, buyers. Buy, 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 buyers. Okay. It's the same thing every single day this week. LMCHA. Let's make crypto honest again. Let's do it, baby. Why AMD, not Intel? I don't know. Couldn't tell you my reason. From all the research I did, and for all the builds that I looked at, the pre-builds, the 9800X 3D or whatever the hell I got, this one here was the best bet. That's why. That's why. Market is not open yet, but we got some scam wickety wicketies. 1 minute, everybody. Patience, everybody. Thank you for being here. 435 people in here hanging out. Smacking likes, taking names, kicking ass. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing. I think we're almost at 17K, guys. Thank you so much. Not a single subscriber bot. Not a single subscriber taught. 16,783. Awesome. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thank you for being here. Into our sell wall here. Golden pocket. Fair value gap. Volume. Volume. Fair value gap. Golden pocket. Lots of confluence in the sell wall here, so cautious here. You do not want to be longing up here. I mean, it could go up, but it's very, very risky. Liquidity below us, imbalance below us. I'd like to see us come back to 121 here. That would be ideal, but hey, man, we're ripping right now. Market is open. Ding, 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 ding. Gap up for the SPY again. So gap up for the SPY. We'd like to see the gap closed. If not, well, it could be in some issues here. SPY gapping here. NASDAQ dumping. Same story, guys. Same story all 5 mornings. Dump and pump. And then dump. So we'll see what happens here on Market Open. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel and hanging out here. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're having a wonderful week. If you're not having a wonderful week, well, then hopefully we can help make it better. I do appreciate your support and hanging out here. If you do want to join the Discord, take your time. Don't bother. Don't bother. It's okay. I'm overwhelmed with people. I'm overwhelmed. And I am grateful for all the Discord members. And you guys know I'll show up for you guys every day. So thank you. I do appreciate it. God is good. Good peoples. Be kind, don't be a douche canoe. That's the only rules, man. Say good morning, don't be a douche canoe. No issues. Coming back, testing this order block. Continuation here. Bitcoin ripping. NASDAQ, baby. Let's go. NASDAQ looks strong. Confluence. SPY strong. ETH strong. Sol strong. Bitcoin trying to go. Still no trade here. Still waiting. Still waiting. Yep. Coming back. Sweeping the high here. Bitcoin flat. Coming back down here for Biddy. Support level again. Retry. SFP on our beautiful NASDAQ. Patience here. We got an orb high so far. Orb high right in front of a resistance level. Of course. Of course. Of course. Trying to go here, chopping. Still waiting, guys. See what we get here. SFP, NASDAQ. Big sweep. SPY remains strong. Coming down on Ethereum. Chopping up at the top here, guys. 12-hour way overextended. You have natural bearish divergence in here. If you get acceptance back into the range. It's an ugly candle, guys. That's an SFP breakdown. Liquidity below. Here's your target. Boop, 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 boop. NASDAQ retest. Balloon dog forming. Bitcoin chopping. ETH very strong here. Very strong for ETH here. Very strong for Solana here. Bitcoin flat. Dominance dropping. NASDAQ pushing. Solana pushing. Ethereum pushing. Bitcoin flat. Bitcoin into resistance here, so we could get a push up here, but I'd be patient here. Just looking strong, though, on alts as well. Okay, strong, strong, strong. Strong on the SPY. Weak on the NASDAQ. Bitcoin trying to go here. No trade here, still waiting. Still got room to go on Solana here, looking strong. SFP of this high though. Don't want to see it close below here. Biddy flat. ETH, no sweep of the high here, still liquidity grab possible. This is enticing buyers, guys. This is something that I do not suggest longing. We still wait here. We do not long the top. We wait for pullback or we miss it. That's it. When it's pushing like this, you let it go and then wait for this. And that's where you get long. Let it go. Don't, because you're gonna get this. I'd much rather get, unless you're gonna pay yourself from here to here. I'd much rather get this and have continuation trade than being drawdown and then continuation. That's just me. NASDAQ pushing. Solana continuation. Bitcoin trying to push here. See if we can get through here. Trying to push through. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. You shit along, dude. Thanks, Martin. How you doing, bro? Good to see you. SFP on the 1 hour. Yeah. Trying to push. Good morning, Pat. Sol looks strong. ETH looks really strong. Bitcoin pushing. Here we go. Nice follow through for Biddy. Let's go, Biddy. NASDAQ looks very strong here. Coming for all-time highs on NASDAQ. Bitcoin ripping. ETH ripping. Sol ripping. Into our sell wall here. Bitcoin continuation. Bitcoin doesn't care. My swing long loves this. Bitcoin flying. I guess we should have held that long this morning already. Holy smokes. Off we go. Solana, off we go. One's in the chat if you're long. Nice push here. Nice push for the NASDAQ. Nice push for the SPY. ETH, Sol. Beautiful. Beautiful. All around. Nice move. Support and resistance flip. The gang is still long from the pink box, so we happy. Nice push here. Coming back in. Humble pie being delivered. Still waiting. Still waiting. Bunch of longs in the chat. Good job, everybody. I hate to say, but you were too soon. 2 mornings now. Yeah. Yeah, I got in here. Should have got in on that second candle there. Yeah, you're right. I hear you, man. That's fine. That's fine. On to the next one. That's fine. Trapping traders, in my opinion, right now. Still waiting. No trade here. Nice push for Biddy. Nice push for NASDAQ. Nice push for SPY all around. Everything's looking good. Big humble pie coming back down for Ethereum. Big humble pie being delivered right now. See what happens here on Bitcoin. Strong, strong, strong. Everything looking strong here. I'm not a buyer at the top here, though. That's it. Hands for me. GG's if you got the long. Tex-Mex, BioMex. Gang, gang, gang. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. Hanging out. Much love to every single one of you guys. Fresh humble pie. See if it does want to come down here or if we want to bounce here. S&P looks super strong here. Solana looking super strong here. Bitcoin, want to see it come down here? Might not, though. Might not. Might just continue to rip up into our 786 here at 122.7. Bitcoin coming down into our buy level here. See what reaction we get. ETH with the tell. NASDAQ all-time highs. Biddy still dumping here. No reason to long this. Your strong low would be there. Need to see a pushback here. NASDAQ looking good. Sol coming back. Tons of liquidity below us on Sol. Bitcoin pushing here. Trying to go. Niente, no push. Coming down. Humble pie. Humble pie. Lots of humble pie. Nothing yet. No strength in the move yet. Coming back down for all those late longs. Trying to hold the uptrend here. Not holding. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out. Goodbye. Oops. Undo. Sorry, Albert. No bounce. No bounce, no trade. Correct? Correct. I'm going to send you to Miss Crypto today. Coming back into that range. What a fake out. Ooh wee. What a fake out. Hopefully you guys paid yourselves. What a fake out biddy, man. Price action vicious. Coming down for a VWAP slap, baby. No VWAP slap. Nice liquidity sweep bounce. If we can sweep and bounce, I'll get long. But no sweep and bounce. Solana humble pie, ETH humble pie. Slap and bounce. Vicious price action, everybody. Good thing we didn't buy the top. I'm very happy about that. Can we bounce here? Is the question. Or do we have to come for these lows in here? Might have to come here. Orb is in, right? We didn't mark out orb, everybody. My bad. Losing the orb to the downside, man. Here comes VWAP slap. That's a big ass orb, everybody. Welcome to the big ass orb. Coming back for all the late longs this morning. Holy smokes. What a liquidity grab, man. Dumping. Absolutely dumping. Holding this low is important. Right now, holding this low here is important. Can it hold that low? It's got to push here. Damn, Daniel. It's wild. I like it. At least there's price action this morning, baby. Anybody take the VWAP slap? I'm not touching this. I'm not touching this. If we reclaim orb, I'll touch it. Reclaim orb continuation trade. That's where I'm at. I ain't touching this downtrend. This is nasty. It is straight nasty. Solana trying to hold here. Damn, Daniel. This is crazy. What a day. What a Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome to the Doomsday Dump. Big old Dumparelli coming right at you. Not holding the wop. Dump it, Bitcoin. Dump it, Solana. The Hopium Slippers. That was a good sell. I'll give them that. Very good sell this morning on the Hopium. I'll give them that. Very good sell. Very good sell. Should just trade Solana. I like to retest here. Continuation trade. Should we trade Solana instead, guys? I think we should. What do you think? What do you think? Do you think we should trade Solana instead? Put a 1 in the chat. Looks way better, doesn't it? Everybody taking this long, right? Can I get GG's in the chat? Can I get a GG's in the chat? One last hurrah. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. All night long, Solana. Solana, lana, lang. Solana, lana, lang, 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 lang. Oh, yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Solana, lana, lang. Solana, lana, lang, 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 lang. Oh, yeah. Girl, I want to make you sweat. Whoo! Sweat till you can't sweat no more. Let's go, baby. Happy Friday, gang. Ooh. Ooh, wee. What a push. Solana Lana. Guys, don't fade AlexOCrypto's support and resistance on Solana, eh? Don't fade it, guys. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. If you know how to trade it. Looking to come for the high. Bottom snatcher, baby. Where do I get 600 out of this? All right. How's Biddy doing? Do we even care about Bitcoin anymore? Bitcoin V-shaped recovery? SFP of the low, right? Got confluence on Biddy, right? SFP of the low? There we go. I told you that low. Coming for that low. Sweep of the low. Reclaim a VWAP. Continuation up. Possibility. Soy Boy Lana trying to push here. Confluence. We always like our confluence. I just want to hit $1,000 trade for you guys. Look at that. There we go. $1,000 trade, guys. AlexOCrypto. Be there, be square. Join the Discord. We on fire, baby. We on fire. I'm just chilling. I need to load. I've bought a footstool, everybody. I bought a footstool because my legs swing under the desk because I'm so short. The only thing that touches the floor is you know what. Happy Friday. Touch some grass. Touch some ass. Whatever you're into. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you guys next week, and I'll see the Discord today. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.